What's up, guys? I'm just pulled over on the side of ICEFIELDS Parkway right now. I seen this sign that said goats and glaciers, so I was like, I'll go see LeBron and some glaciers. But yeah, I'm just headed to BANFF right now. Finished up at Jasper. I got a 2-day pass for BANFF, but it was $40. So, and I kind of just, he was like, oh yeah, that'll be $40. I was like, oh, okay. But I think when I get to the park entrance, I'm gonna ask if I can get refunded for one day, because I don't want to pay that much money to stay in the park. I'm gonna be staying in my vehicle anyway. Like, one day to see the park is enough for me, and then I'm cheap. Like, I'll just go sleep in my vehicle in Canmore or something like that, you know, somewhere around the park. But one day is enough for me, I think. Oh, it's just right here. Don't have to walk very far. That's good, because I was kind of nervous about. I'm always nervous about my vehicle because I don't have any padlocks yet. But this looks pretty sweet. I don't see LeBron anywhere though. I'm assuming this is the Athabasca River. It looks like it. Oh, it's your time now. Yeah, that's what everybody say.
I need you, till I set you apart.
Would you just look at it, man? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Beauty. Man, this is crazy. It is so bright out, but wow. What a country I live in. It's crazy, like, you don't even know these things are here, and it's like, oh, pull over here, but there's like a little binocular sign, and then you see this, and it's like, what the hell, man? Like, you live in Saskatchewan your whole life, and it's just flat, and then you come here and it's just like not flat. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. How's this for a view? I swear, like, they just never end. Like, I'm just driving and then there's like a turn off and then there's another one. So I'm like, well, I gotta check it out. This one's pretty good, eh? Not bad. Got a little bit of B-roll for you guys. I'm gonna try and edit that up, make it cool. I think we're about like 80K out from Lake Louise and like just 100 and some from BANFF. Pretty excited for Lake Louise. I've never been to Lake Louise ever, so that'll be awesome. I'm gonna go get back on the highway though. I just thought I'd check it out. I'm trying to check out everyone. I haven't checked out everyone, but like almost everyone. Looks like we're wait, where am I? This is not where I'm supposed to go. Anyways, I pulled out to the highway once again. There's a canyon here that I'm gonna go check out. I'm not. Is it this way? Am I going the right way? I don't know. I don't know if I'm going the right way, guys, to be completely honest with you. My memory card is full again, so that's cool. Just realizing now I forgot my bear spray. I always forget. Like, could totally run into a bear right now. I'm in the bush, man, and I didn't bring my bear spray. Okay, this is looking more like a canyon. I think we're almost here. So I did take the right way. There was a lot of different trails you could take, and I just kind of winged it. Yeah, this is definitely bear country though. Oh, stupid, I keep forgetting it. Ooh, okay. Check this out. It's very loud. Oh yeah. Wow, that's sweet, man. Oh, you can actually get right down in the canyon. Woo-hoo-hoo. Getting a little bit treacherous here, ladies and gentlemen. But I'm all for it. I do it for the people. Sheesh! Oh my lord. You can't make this up, like you actually can't. This is ridiculous. Oh, watch your step. This is crazy. I'm just taking some pictures right now. I want to get a couple downstream here. I got a couple facing this way. I'm gonna get a couple facing that way. And then maybe just enjoy the breeze and then head back. Still got a trek up ahead of us, so. Ooh, it is hot out today. Ooh, made it back to the whip. It's so hot. Oh my god. Whew. This shirt smells so ripe. It's disgusting. Okay. Time to get going. After pit stop. Number 89. Yeah. Once again out of space on my camera. Well, I'm driving up to Lake Louise right now. I'm on like the super windy, twisty road that brings you up the mountain. And it is so busy. Like, I've never been here before, so I don't know what it's normally like, but like this is stupid. Like, I got like 3 people in front of me, 3 people behind me. There's just people everywhere, man. Oh, there's a sign, we're in avalanche country. Bro. I almost felt, oh, there's a limo? What the hell? Why is there a limo? There's no way that thing's chucking up this hill. Parked on a steep hill, this guy better not go close behind me. Oh, this guy in front of me's got a standard too. Holy shit. You better know how to heel toe, man, if you're parking on this thing. Holy shit. I'll show you guys this parking lot. This parking lot too, by the way. This is the second parking lot. Making my way downtown. Nice.
Next hoping music.
Jeez. Hey, so I'm at Lake Louise, and I've come to the decision that I want to do the Lake Agnes Trail, and I'm really hungry, so I'm just gonna have a bowl of cereal. And I got some hemp and chia and flax I'm gonna throw in it, and some oat milk. So let's just whip that up right now. And some chia. I haven't had oat milk in like a week, man. I missed it. Almost at the trailhead. Had a good feed. Feeling good. Not bad views out here. On the incline. Reeks of horse shit. Reeks. Not sure if this is horseback trail, but it smells like I'm at the PA fair, you know, when you're at the stables. Yeah. My legs just aren't, we're used to walking up mountains. They're used to walking on very flat ground. So this might be a little tougher than anticipated. Keep you updated. Update. Getting pretty sweaty. Thought this was pretty cool, so showed you. Man, it is a hot day for a hike. I think it's like 31 degrees outside. It's crazy, man. Oh, little water break. Oh my god. Oh no. Just got dirt all over this. Not what you want.
sorry.
No worries, man. Gotta get the shot.
Yeah, after all this walk.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a nice little pit stop, but now we keep on trekking. Keep on trekking. Oh, oh, near leg. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Wow. Well, this is a view. Top yet, but I'll show you guys that. That's not too bad, eh? I think we're probably 0.6K from Agnes Lake. Not sure how much elevation, but it seems to be getting steeper. Getting a little bit more treacherous. Quite the scramble up these rocks. Getting her done though, one step at a time. Oh man. Almost at the peak, and there's horses up here. What the heck? I wasn't expecting that. That must have been that. I knew I smelled horse shit. There was all this shit on the way up here. I was thinking, I was like, ah, it smells like horse shit. It's probably bear shit. Like what else could be up this high and dropping that big of logs? There's horses up here. What the heck, man? Oh wow. Look at that. Yo. Oh, we made it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, that's something. There's a little tea house here. That's so cool. I want to know who hauled all that lumber up there to build the tea house. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. On the descend now. It's a lot easier to descend. It's kind of relaxing almost. Can't beat that though. Shortcut. Oh man, I gotta cut my toenails. They're hitting the end of my boots on the way down. Shortcut. Don't mind if I do. Okay. Well, we made it down. That's not a bad thing to see when you just come off the hike. Oh. Made it back to my vehicle. This tastes so good right now. But I need to get into town. I'm gonna get rolling here, so I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Once again, I'm sorry for the iPhone quality. Samsung quality. Because I got no room on my camera. I only got room for pictures. But it'll pick up once I get to Calgary, so stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you liked it. If you didn't like it, dislike it, and comment and tell me why, so I can get better. But anyways, peace out, guys.